The heavy rain in the Northeast led to widespread flooding. Take a look at this video from New York City. You can see people standing on the seats of a bus as it drives through those floodwaters. You can see how high that water is. It's on the bottom of the seats, essentially. Police in New York City reported 8 deaths as a result of that flooding. And this video coming from Philadelphia, interstates in that area blocked by water. Some cars are submerged after the Schuylkill River overflowed. Multiple deaths have been reported due to flooding in a county just outside of Philadelphia. And some breaking news, the death toll from Hurricane Ida continues to rise. Josh Breslow following the latest at the WKRN.com alert desk.
Yeah, that's right, Nicole. We actually just got an update here. We can now tell you that at least 18 people are dead from Maryland over to New York. I do want to take a look at some new video just coming into the newsroom here. This is from Gloucester County, New Jersey. That is where there was a possible tornado that touched down and caused extensive damage as the remnants of Ida did move through that area. Again, at least 18 people dead throughout several states in the Northeast as a result of the storm. But you can see homes just ripped apart in that area. We also saw extensive flooding, and the mayor of New York City speaking about the damage.
We saw a horrifying storm last night, unlike anything we have seen before.
Here that we did get, we know that in Queens, 2 of the dead were from a partial building collapse and 3 others were found dead in a flooded home. That unfortunately did include a 2-year-old boy. Again, the update from that news conference there that at least 18 people are dead. We will continue to follow this and bring you the latest on air and on our website, WKRN.com.